The following contest is scheduled for one fall, and it's for the #1 contenders match for the state championship. Introducing first,
Danny DeVito!
Solomon Drake. Although I would go with the split fans contest, it's some kids. And his opponent,
Danny.
the self-proclaimed best in the universe, Switchblade. And he bounced back after taking a literal beating from Jason next. And his opponent,
Jackson!
CJ Clique. New attitude of CJ Clique kind of scares me. Running around with a hammer beating people in the evidence. Not sure.
Let's go, Switchblade!
He's getting too close to me, I'm scared.
Let's go, Switchblade!
CJ Clique!
Let's go, Switchblade!
CJ Clique!
Let's go, Switchblade!
CJ Clique! No one cares for Danny! Danny DeVito! No one cares for Danny! Danny DeVito!
What was it? The long...
Danny DeVito! The long Danny DeVito!
Ding, ding, ding!
There is no such thing as a long Danny DeVito!
Now, this is a #1 contenders match. The state championship. Soon to be introduced, we hope. Now, there's a lot of history between these two. When I say history, it's not pretty. I've seen wars between two small countries with less intensity.
Speaking of not pretty, they're both not pretty.
Would you compare?
I know, but if you were
Drake-
filming, I'd probably have to prefer CJ.
I'm staying out of that argument because I'm trying to be subjective to this
With these
commentator.
world wars, would you compare Drake to North Korea?
North Korea
Well,
actually have power.
Most people would say most people would say that Kim Jong-un is small and annoying with a squeaky voice, and you know Drake. There's a lot of similarities between that.
Does that mean Drake can't shit if he's like thing? Because they say that fucking Kim Jong-un can't shit, so maybe all his shit just comes out of his
If I
mouth.
was honest, North Korea, they're a communist. They don't know what food is. But
Oh my goodness.
if I looked at Drake, he knows what food is.
Is this a muscle buster?
What the hell is this? He's going for a pin. And he's
Yeah. Switchblade's got to be.
this no solver clothesline from CJ.
I ho, it's off to wrestle I go.
Let's go, get back in the ring. Get in the ring. Get back in the ring. Get back in the ring. I said get it back in the ring. Yeah, alright. They can just stay out there for a little bit.
Oh no.
He's got a 10 count and he's outside the ring.
3. 4.
Oh, a DDT by Clique.
It's a bit hard to do what he used to do. Back in the day, he could just pull his hair, but now there's nothing there to pull, so...
Yeah, he's like me, he's gone bald.
His back hair appears to be longer than his head hair. You're not as bald as him, though. He's got like the, you know, the full chrome though, like the...
Almost to the Mr. Burns cut.
Yes, that's what I was trying to refer to.
And Clique misses with a swanton. Haven't seen Switchblade in a few minutes.
Also, who was receiving medical attention?
I guess it's now a one-on-one match.
I feel like CJ must still be reeling from that grueling Ironman match he endured.
Surprised he's still even able to stand and walk properly. And Clique again. This one connects to the swanton. This is it. We've got a new number one contender. Apparently not.
What is it going to take? What will it take for CJ to achieve a dream? Getting to that spot to become state championship.
But what CJ really strives is the XCW championship.
Exactly right.
He's caught him with the...
I feel like for CJ,
2, 3.
And that's it.
Ding. Ding.
We have a number one contender.
Ding. 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 Ding.
Well... Short, sharp and to the point. We have a number one contender.
very short and very sweet.
Is Clique gonna... This is... We're gonna see more aggression from Clique.
Become a bit of a sociopath lately.
It's become a bit of a... This new aggressive side of Clique is kind of scary.